Take this knob out. Make sure parking brake is on. And unplug that. Screw both of these. Unplug all those. Pop this out. Open the glove box. Remove 10mm bolts. 2 of them. And then when you remove it, just slide it back some. What I did, I popped this top piece off, and then 10mm bolts for the radio. Just move this slightly out to get this, and this will slide right out. And then get this off from here. Then this plastic piece with that clip down there moves out, and then you'll have access inside there to get to your airbag module and the 2 other bolts from behind. I just put a wrench down there, feel for it, and undo it. Alright, took all of the 3 bolts off. Then to take it off from here, just push down on that tab and then slide it out this way, and it comes right out. And I got it all from here, the back 2 bolts with a wrench from the back, and then front right here. And that'll be it. It's taking it out. Now I'm gonna go take it to a guy to reset it for me. Now I'm gonna go take it or ship it out to Safety Restore.